बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। खैर मेरे अच्छा जी। This video will be in English, and earlier I said that I am getting some international subscribers now, so I will make my recipe videos in English as well. And some other videos will be also in English, but vlogging will be remain in Urdu, Punjabi, and a mixture of English. Okay? Now, what we have to do? First, let me tell you what I am making. I am making the chicken shami kebab special sandwiches. Special chicken shami kebab special sandwiches. Okay, this is the recipe. And initially, I wanted to make sandwiches of chicken polygonal slices, but unfortunately, I did not get them, so I decided to go for chicken shami kebab. These are the ingredients. Quickly, I will tell you what are the ingredients. Okay, chicken shami kebab. You can take of any company. Then you need brown bread. After that you need sauces. Which sauces? Thousand Island, mayonnaise, classic, tomato, jalapeno, barbecue, and after that you need capsicum, onions, and olives. That's it. Now we'll start. For starting, what we'll do? We will take a fry pan. And also, let me tell you that I want to Ramzan Mubarak to all Muslims and non-Muslims as well. It is a month of blessing. I hope this month will be a source of blessing for all of us. And also in this month, I am very hopeful that Corona will get out of our lives. Inshallah. Okay, now getting back to the business. We'll put on the fire. Fire. There is the fire. After that, what I will do, you have to take the fry pan, put the fry pan on the fire, and after that take some cooking oil, show the audience some foods, so that they can know the importance of vitamins of the fruits, fresh fruits. Now, come here, we'll add some cooking oil. Add some cooking oil. Add. A little bit of more. Now what we will do? We'll pause the video, and when it heats up, then we'll start. Pause. Okay, now what we'll do, we will add onions into the pan. We will add onions. It's good heat up. We'll add all the onions. Oh my god! Okay, add it. Keep safe distance and also lower the flame. What we are doing, we have added capsicum. Please zoom. We also have added some capsicum in it. Okay, capsicum are added in it. Now we are frying it, capsicum and onions. Let them fry a little bit. I will raise the flame. There it is. Let them fry well. Okay, what I did, I added, what I did, I added oil, and then when the oil was heated up a little bit, when the oil was warm, I added in it onions and capsicum. Till now, just this has happened, okay? Follow up for the further details. When the things will get a little bit brown, take them out of the pan. Okay, why fry the onion and the capsicum? Frying is basically done, first of all, to make the texture good. Secondly, the pungent taste and the sharp taste in capsicum and onion is removed by frying them. Okay. Now what I will do? I will take out. I will take out the Shami kebabs and I will defrost them. Okay, I will defrost the Shami kebab. And how to defrost? You just have to oven them. Okay. Now you can see the onions are little bit brown and capsicum is also fried. So what we will do, we will take out them. Okay, take them out. We take them out and put them in a plate. Let me stop the one. Okay, now we will put them in the plate. Take them all out. Make sure the oil is not in it. Pause. What we will fry the Shami kebab. Okay, you can also make Shami kebab at home, but you can take it you can also take off any brand, but also you can make it at home. So now we'll fry the Shami kebab. As I said, cooking is a science. So you have to be very conscious about what you do. Now we take out the Shami kebab. Because we have to use them in sandwiches, so I am not concerned that they are breaking or not. I am just taking them in the bulk. I am not concerned whether they are breaking or not because ultimately I have to break them. Okay. So don't worry if they break in this recipe. Now, what you have to do, you have to mash the Shami kebab. Mash them well. Let me take this. Now the mashing is done. Now what you have to do? You have to take a little bit of Shami. We are going to put it on the sandwich. Make it plain, okay? Make it plain well because we have to add sauces and other things so that it remains intact. Make it plain. Make sure it reaches all the edges of the sandwich, all these edges of the bread. Extra care must be done for that. It is sticking to it. This is problem. Okay. No, I will use hand just to make them because I want it to be perfect. No. Now it is done. Now what we have to do? We have to add this thing, onions and capsicum. Okay. Add some capsicum. Add a little bit onion. Okay. Now add omelette. Now time to add sauces. Look, if you have to make all the sauces same flavor, do what I will do. But if you want to make a sauce prominent, add it in the zigzag way and add other in the linear form. But as I am making and I recommend in this recipe that make all the sauces equivalent in their taste, okay, in their flavor. So what I will do, look, follow this strategy. Start from there and go, stop, okay. then mayonnaise. The remaining that is outside, it will be cleaned with tissue paper. Okay. Now start from here. Mayonnaise, add there. Okay. Now the jalapeno tomato ketchup. Same strategy, same style, same strategy. Okay. Now the barbecue tomato ketchup. Here we go. So here we go. We will. And one thing, the bread was out of the fridge, so I did not toast it or oven it. If bread is in the fridge, kindly oven it for a while. Toasted bread does not go well. Oven it in, so if it is in the fridge, if it is refrigerated, oven it for a while. So this is our sandwich. Now just a little bit of garnishing. Little bit more garnishing. Now take some shots. Make them enjoy. Done? Okay. Take the camera. So, thank you so much for watching the video in Ramadan. I will try to make more and more of recipes videos, and all these recipes, inshallah, will be mine. I am the creator. This recipe is totally from mine. Okay. So I have not watched it anyway. It's totally created in the mind. Okay. Now what is need to be done? Please like the video, subscribe my channel, and share this video, and stay connected with me. And inshallah, we will make more videos of recipes in the Ramadan. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.